Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our esteemed lecturer, Dr. Haji Zainal Arifin SPD MPD, for his invaluable guidance, mentorship, and support throughout our Speaking for Academic Purposes course. My name is Mutia Aulia Ayunda, a student in the English Education Department, Faculty of Adab and Languages at UIN Raden Mas Said Surakarta. Today, I'm honored to present a review of my research journal entitled Improving Listening Comprehension Through English Songs and Experimental Study at Elementary School. This presentation represents the culmination of my academic learning in this course, and I hope it will contribute meaningful insight to our discussion on linguistic methodologies. While previous studies have shown that song can help in language learning, there's been limited experimental research in Indonesia, specifically using contemporary English songs to measure improvement in distinct listening skills like word recognition, mind idea comprehension, and inferential listening. My study aimed to fill this gap. I conducted an 8-week program with 60 fifth grade students in Surakarta, where one group learned through carefully selected English songs, while the other continued with conventional methods. The results were promising. The song-based group showed 35% improvement in listening scores, more than double the control group's 15% gain. This tells us that modern English song, when chosen thoughtfully, can significantly boost listening skill while making learning more enjoyable. This research provides evidence-based strategies for teachers and contribute to developing culturally relevant materials that support our young learners in building essential English skills. This research is situated in the field of English for young learners, where listening comprehension serves as a fundamental skill for language acquisition. The study emphasized the importance of authentic material in young learners' context with a specific focus on songs. As pedagogical tools, it is important to note that elementary students come with diverse learning styles and backgrounds, which significantly affect their engagement and comprehension abilities. Currently, there are limited studies focusing specifically on song-based listening instruction in Indonesian elementary schools, particularly those utilizing contemporary English songs. Building upon previous studies by Ismetova et al. In 2024 and Roren Toulouse and Wuntu in 2023, which established the benefits of song in language learning. The study identifies two significant research gaps. First, there's a lack of experimental studies using contemporary English songs in the Indonesian context. Second, existing research rarely measures specific listening subskills like word recognition, main idea comprehension, and inferential listening separately. The purpose of this study was to investigate English songs as listening input for young learners, with particular focus on comprehension improvement, student engagement, and learning strategies. The main research question guiding this study was: how do contemporary English songs improve specific listening subskills among Indonesian elementary students? This research employed a mixed method approach, combining quasi-experimental design with qualitative observation. Data was collected through listening comprehension tests, classroom observations, and student questionnaires. The study involved 60 fifth grade students who participate in an 8-week intervention program. The participants were divided into two groups, an experimental group of 30 students who received song-based instruction and a control group of 30 students who continued with conventional listening instruction. Both groups had similar starting proficiency levels to ensure comparability. The quantitative results show remarkable difference between two groups. The experimental group demonstrated a 35% average score increase, while the control group showed only 15% improvement. Looking at specific subskill, the experimental group showed the most significant improvement in word recognition at 42%, followed by main idea comprehension at 38% and inferential listening at 31%. The study revealed that conventional methods often lead to lower student engagement, while the song-based approach effectively reduces anxiety and increases motivation. An interesting finding was that vocabulary acquisition occurred incidentally through repeated exposure to song lyrics, even without direct vocabulary instruction. The qualitative data showed that songs significantly increase student motivation and confidence. Observational data revealed physical engagement such as tapping and swaying to the music. In the questionnaire, 87% of students reported enjoying listening lessons more with song, and 80% felt more confident in understanding spoken English after the intervention. In conclusion, this study demonstrates that contemporary English songs effectively improve listening comprehension among elementary students. The research provides quantitative evidence from the Indonesian context, showing that song not only enhance specific listening skills but also increase engagement while reducing the affective filter. These findings have practical implications for English teachers and curriculum developers working with young learners. Thank you very much for the kind attention. I appreciate this opportunity to share my research finding, and I'm grateful once again to Dr. Haji Zainal Arifin for this guidance throughout this academic journey. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.